Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locking prerequisites. Decide which Windows image you need and how much RAM, CPU cores, and storage you require. Once done, compare providers that sell RDP-ready VPS or dedicated servers. Focus on latency, uptime, and KVM access. Make sure to verify the supported Windows license and whether the provider includes RDP activation or a bring-your-own license option. Then set a clear monthly budget and preferred billing term before moving to account setup and payment. You now create your provider account, enable two-factor authentication, and add a verified payment method. Next, pick the plan matching your earlier requirements. Prioritize SSD, enough RAM, and CPU cores for expected load. During provisioning, choose the correct Windows image and set a strong administrator password. Make sure to configure networking. Open port 3389 only to trusted IPs or set up a VPN, and enable provider firewall rules before you power on the instance, so you finish by connecting with remote desktop using the admin credentials. Validate graphics, file transfer, and clipboard. Once connected, immediately install Windows updates, enable Defender or another AV, and create a non-admin user for daily use. Make sure to lock down RDP, restrict IPs, consider changing the default port, or require a VPN. Finally, take a snapshot or backup, enable monitoring and alerts, and store credentials securely. If RDP fails, restart the VM and check firewall, port, and credential errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.